Here I have Motorola Moto E6i, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password, pattern or like whatever, and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device now. So what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you will have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see Motorola logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. Just like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you should select an option Wipe Data Factory Reset, then select Factory Data Reset, and after you see the message Data Wipe Complete here, select the first option Reboot System Now, and device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.